God.
They gon' really act so damn fake. Shawty, I don't wanna live another damn day. Mama told me it's gon' be okay. It'll be alright.
Alright, what's up, squad? I'm here with John. We're about to go, he needs to grab some cigarettes, and then we're going to go hit some trails that he found. Dude's always out looking for trails. Whenever he's not riding, he's looking for trails. Does that drop off?
Yeah, I don't want to tear up the pond.
Just don't hit all those stumps and stuff down there. Alright, bud. Almost went down there, dude. Ooh. Dude, this place is dope.
Yeah.
And they growing it out here with the flower pot and everything.
Yeah.
Jeez. This is cool back here, though. I didn't know it was all back here.
Yeah, smell that.
Oh yeah, bud. It's a shame if someone took that. Oh. Oh yeah? Oh, what is stuck in this? Oh Lord. Oh Jesus Christ, dude, I'm gonna go down on these damn rocks. Whoa! Oh! Oh, it's funny, but oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah, boy. Oh, he wasn't kidding. What a nice guy. What a legend. recommend this to anyone with street tires. If you got knobbies, they'll go out here and send it. That's pretty steep.
I imagine that goes over there and goes into that wall.
Yeah.
Game?
I'm game.
Try not to eat shit going down this thing.
Yeah, don't hit that root.
Huh?
Try to stay on that side.
This side of it?
Yep. Luckily, dirt don't hurt too bad. Alright, Wilson, let's do this. Oh, Jesus Christ, dude. Just go for it, go for it, go for it. Woo!
You ready? This is a virgin tunnel. It's not been a bike through it before.
Yeah.
I'll tear this up later when it's all done, but yeah, first time, baby.
Oh, concrete, dude. God damn it. Ooh. Easy there, Wilson, dude. I know it sucks, but you don't want to get out from under me, buddy. You're going down if you do. Get out of my way. Yeah, screw it, I guess. God. Was intense there for a little bit, boys. Oh God. I didn't keep a consistent speed, I lost it. With these tires, you ain't gaining no traction, bud. Oh.
Hey, yo, anybody home? Hey, man, we're just riding. Is anybody there? We're gonna cut through there. Hey, we're just gonna cut through your camp, man. Oh God. Oh.
Oh God. Pushed it back a bit there, bud. Or did it? I don't know. Thing's still plugged in. I think we're good, mate. This is going nowhere good. Oh God.
Definitely off trail. I think I might go around that way, but these are just deer trails we're on.
Yeah.
I was hoping maybe they'd have a cut steel to lead back to the neighborhood, but I gotta take my helmet off. It's hotter than hell.
Yeah. Alright, what's up, squad? So we finally got through those, oh damn. Finally got through those trails. My bark busters are done, but they were just cheap Amazon ones, so. Alright, let's do this then. Oh God. After this, you guys can't call me one of those supermoto riders who doesn't even touch dirt, just the streets.
I can't tell if the fence is still there or not.
I think so.
I think it probably is. I don't know if that goes down anywhere.
Got my.
Yourself into it, son. That's a hole.
Yeah. I started sliding off down it, and I'm like, well.
You just took the low road.
Yeah. And.
Get out of there. Hold on a second.
That wasn't no good. I started sliding down sideways, and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna have to take this low road.
Yeah, I didn't see you, and I came up here and I jumped into Academy's lot, and I thought, I gave you a second, and I thought, oh shit.
Yeah.
Go down
No.
the fucking thing. So, damn, I would almost back that thing out of there.
Yeah.
I don't think you're gonna get it turned around.
Oh, I almost got it. Oh, fuck.
Gas.
I just gotta get my back wheel up here. And we're set.
Hold on.
I got you, man. Woo! That wasn't no good.
Wallabies, bring it back.
Live head.
I can fix that with a black car.